Hey there, Cindy Sparling here, welcoming you to our virtual party. I am so excited that you have joined us, and I want to first thank our fabulous host for gathering us all together for a week of fun where we're learning all about what's new with the Pampered Chef. So I want to encourage you to fully participate and have a great time with us. We're off to a wonderful start, and I'm so excited about all the products that I'm going to be able to show you this week, which will make cooking and entertaining much easier and much quicker in your kitchen. And speaking of easy and quick, I'm going to show you what I'm throwing together for dinner. Do you ever have those days where all of a sudden it's 5 o'clock and you realize, oh my gosh, I have to have dinner again tonight? So I realized that about 15 minutes ago, and I thought, oh my gosh, what am I going to do? I have some training calls tonight. My husband will be home between 6 and 6:30, and he wants to take a walk and then eat, and then I've got to be on these calls. So I'm thinking, I got to do something quick and easy, painless. And we're kind of on a nutrition kick, so we're trying to be a little careful not to eat processed foods and to avoid takeout. So tonight I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I'll tell you a little bit more about some of the specials going on in our party, but I want to get my meat going so it's ready in time. So tonight I am going to use my Rock Crock Everyday Pan in my slow cooker, and this is a product you're going to see featured if you haven't seen it already. It's one of our new items, and it converts our Rock Crock to a slow cooker. So what is so cool about this is if I really wanted to, I could throw my meat in here and throw it in the microwave, or I can cook on a burner in here. I can cook on an outdoor barbecue grill with our Rock Crock. It can go in the dishwasher. So it's virtually the most versatile piece of cookware I've ever owned in my life, and we have 6 different ones of these. You'll see them featured throughout the party, and the casserole pieces do come with a tempered glass lid. So tonight I want to kind of slow cook some barbecue ribs in the slow cooker. So I found these ribs in my freezer, so I dug them out and I thought, perfect, I'll throw them in my slow cooker. It'll be painless. So we're just going to take our kitchen shears and we're going to open the bag here. I didn't even have time to go to the store. At first I thought I was going to make a trip to the store, and I really didn't have time, so I was so glad I found these in my freezer. So we're just going to open the bag. We're going to pop them right down. Boy, they barely fit in our everyday pan, and we're going to dispose of that. All righty, and I am going to, these are pre-seasoned, so I'm going to put the lid on. And I'm going to turn my slow cooker to high because I need for these to be heated up and ready in about 2.5 hours. So that is ready to go and out of the way. That's simple and easy to use. And well, let me show you what's going to go along with that. My husband loves this yellow rice. So I'm going to put that in my rice cooker, which I have right here. This is another one of my top favorite picks because you can do everything from cooking oatmeal in the morning to steaming vegetables at night in here, heating up soup in here for lunch. You can do small pots of stew, you can do soup, you can roast vegetables, or you can actually cook rice in it. And it's great, by the way, for mashed potatoes too. You can just cube up your potatoes, throw them in there, pop that in the microwave for about 5 to 8 minutes, depending on how many potatoes you have, and then smash them up with your mix and chop and pour in all your goodies, and you are ready to go. My kids used to love those. They called them smashed potatoes. So my rice is there. We're going to need, I think, 1 2/3 cups of water. So I'm going to use, I've got my Easy Read measuring set here, and I'll use the 2-cup size. I'll go ahead and pour the water in it and set that aside. So right before we go out for our walk tonight, I pour the water in it, I put the lid on, snap it shut, and this baby goes in the microwave for 20 minutes on half power. Okay, and then while that's resting, I'm going to use my micro cooker. Okay, we're going to throw a little broccoli in there that I've already rinsed and cut up. It's all ready, so let's just throw that in there. So this is looking good. It's like great broccoli today. So here is our broccoli. This is the larger size of the 2 micro cookers. We're going to season it with just a little bit of salt and pepper. These are our grinders. A little salt, little pepper. And I'll add about, I don't know, maybe 1/4 cup of water to this. Pop the lid on. While the rice is resting, the broccoli goes in for 4.5 minutes. And it's perfect every time, okay? So the cool thing about this is everything we have used except for the base to the slow cooker. Oh, it's already getting hot. I can feel it. Everything that we've used goes right in the dishwasher. So cleanup tonight will be a breeze because I open the dishwasher, I throw it all in there. So I'll post a picture of my finished meal. It's going to be real simple: ribs, rice, and good old broccoli tonight. So let me tell you a little bit about some of the specials we have going on with the Pampered Chef for you for joining our party. First, we have a fabulous guest special. There are 5 different items that you can choose for free when you spend $75 or more on our party. So you can choose our vegetable roasting rack for your outdoor grill. You put potatoes and things on it, and it helps them cook a lot faster because it cooks them from the middle and not just the outside. Our beloved ice cream scoop. Everybody loves the ice cream scoop. This is our newer version that can actually go in your dishwasher, so you are going to love that. Our grilling cookbook, our Core and More, which is a great little product for coring things and making your melon balls, and also our vegetable brush for cleaning corn on the cob or washing potatoes, anything like that. So you can choose one of these items as a free gift with a $75 or more product purchase this month. So make sure you don't forget to include that. And by the way, when you place your orders, your products will ship right out to you. So you can start your cart now, and you can order and add things. Well, you can add things as we go through the party. That's what I recommend you do. Get the cart open, you set up your account, you open your cart, and day by day as we go through and you see things you like, you just add them to your cart. And then you can check out whenever you're done. You process your payment and submit your order. And once you submit your order, it will ship directly to you. So you'll have it super fast. It's really nice now. I'm in the Direct Ship To program with Pampered Chef, so our hosts do not have to sort products and deliver them to their friends. All of your products are coming right to you, and it means you're going to get them so much faster, and it's so much easier for our hosts. So that's going to be a real nice benefit. We also have something special going on this month called Help with Breast Cancer. We do this every May, and there's 2 products, our pink and gray mix and chop, and also our water infused bottle that you can choose as extra items. These are not in the catalog, but we will post these on our party. As a matter of fact, I already have posted them on the party. And when you purchase these products, $1 from the purchase price of each one will be donated to the American Cancer Society for breast cancer research, education, and prevention. So what a great cause. You have the opportunity to add these to your order and also help with that most important cause this month. If you're seeing just everything you would love to have, you need to think about hosting your own party. It is so easy to host a virtual party, and if you're live to me here in the Dallas area, I'd love to come do a live cooking party with you and your friends. We can get together and they can actually check out the products and enjoy a fun little recipe. So either way, we have an unbelievable host special this month. One of our most desired items in our product line is our grill pan. I hope you can see this. I'm just going to hold it up to the phone for a minute. But when you host a May party, you can choose our grill pan, our Rock grill stone, our barbecue roasting pan, or our cool and serve, or our family size quick stir pitcher as a 60% off bonus. Now our hosts get free products, they earn several half price selections, and get an unlimited discount. So this is just a bonus for our hosts in the month of May. So if you've been eyeing that grill pan or that Rock grill stone, I would love to party with you and your friends, and we will get you all those wonderful benefits and that 60% off bonus. So think about that and just message me and let me know as we go through if you're interested in that. I also want to encourage you, if you're looking for me in this show or you have questions, please tag me. I have lots of parties going on, so my Facebook is kind of blown up with notifications and posts, so please tag me if you're looking for me so I don't miss your question, okay? Or you can send me a private message. The last thing I want to share with you is we have an amazing special going on for our new consultants who join our company this month. When you order one of our 3 starter kits and decide to give the business a try, when you sell $1,250 or more during your first month as a consultant, you will get a free gift from the Pampered Chef. And this is our Cool and Serve tray. This is a fabulous summertime product. I use mine all year round. It's actually a 6-piece set, and you're going to get more than the 6 pieces. It has a top and a bottom. It comes with 2 trays that you can use for veggies and dips, or chip and dips, or fruit and dip, or whatever you want to put in those. And you have your 2 cooling inserts. And what you do is you freeze these in your freezer, and when you take them out of your freezer, they will stay chilled for 4 to 6 hours. So if you're going to be having an outdoor get-together, a picnic, or just even entertaining in your home where food's going to be sitting out for several hours, these are fabulous because they keep your food chilled. And they hold deviled eggs on the other side. So if you're getting together with folks for Memorial Day weekend or 4th of July and you want to have those deviled eggs, you can keep them chilled so you don't have to worry about them going bad. So you get this 6-piece set, and you also get 2 additional inserts. You get the 5-section tray, and you also get another one that's just a big open tray. So if you wanted to put a huge salad in here or something like that, you would get that. And you also get the carrier, okay? So this all just slides right into your carrier, so you have a quick and easy way to carry this anywhere you need to take it this summer, okay? Thank you again for joining us. We appreciate you. We want to have a great time with you, and thank you again to our wonderful hosts, because without wonderful hosts like you, I would have no business at all. So we appreciate you. Thanks for joining us. Have fun, guys.